Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be stuffing my cash envelopes and my sinking funds. I'm trying to remember. We're going to be stuffing my envelopes for the first paycheck in October. So if that is something that you're here for, go ahead and stay tuned. If this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. And if that is something that you are here for, I encourage that you subscribe to the channel. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I'm so excited that you guys are back for yet another video. So I am going to be stuffing $500 today. As we know, I do not stuff a ton of envelopes. I mainly focus on my daily envelopes and then also the one or two sinking funds I may have, and then my savings challenges. And so that is pretty much how I am managing my money at this time. So my cash stuffings may not be so exciting, but it pretty much works for me. So if you are interested in, you know, a way to stuff some envelopes that's not, you know, a whole lot of them, this is definitely the channel for you. So I am going to turn over here to my cash envelope breakdown sheet here, and this lets me know what envelopes or how much money each envelope is going to be receiving. And I'm just going to set that here to the side, and then I have my cash here, so I am going to count the cash out and add it here. So I made a whole mess of my cash sheet at the bank, but the lady was able to help me get it together. So let's open this. All right, so I went to a traditional bank today. Like, they didn't have no glass. I couldn't believe it. I said, oh, I must be in one of the safest neighborhoods in California for you guys not to have any glass. What? I haven't seen that in years. So I need to move out here. I ain't got no glass. This is literally the safest neighborhood around. Okay, so I'm gonna count all of my money to make sure it's here. I'm gonna try and count it without a calculator. Let's see how well I do. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 500. Oh, I did good today. That's because I didn't have any 50s. That's why I did good. So I'm going to put these hundreds in the back. Put all these 20s because I have a lot of 20s. Well, actually, I'm just going to put this like this. The 10s and then the 5s. I have no 1s. All right. This is our little makeup here today. And first we're going to start off with my daily envelopes, which is what we pretty much always start with. All right, so in my food envelope, I'm going to be giving myself 5 20s for $100. And in this money can be used for any purchases at the grocery store, restaurants, takeout, anything food related is what this is for. And this is gonna last me for the next 2 weeks. And then next is toiletries, and toiletries is this envelope here, and that's gonna get $40. And this is, of course, for what it is, toiletries. That is it there. And that's all for this here is my nail money. And this came out of my side hustle account. So that's already stuffed. And that's it here. Next up is going to be my envelope for 1 month ahead, and then my envelope for household. And for the 1 month ahead, this is just gonna get a solid $100 bill. I am saving 1 month ahead for my for my mortgage and my HOA. So I'm looking to save a total of $2,800. Let's see currently where I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1,650. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $1,654 is what I have here in the 1 month ahead. And actually, I'm gonna take this $4 out because it really annoys me. I'm not even gonna lie. And I'm gonna put that in my toiletries envelope. So $1,650. And then next up is my household, and household, which I'm just saying it's Costco. The Costco envelope is going to get $50, and that's going to be 2 20s and a 10. So now let's see how much I have in the household envelope. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. I think I like having this household envelope as a sinking fund. I think I like it. I think I like it a lot. I'm glad I made that switch. So I'm gonna be taking this envelope with me today. I'm gonna just transfer the money into an envelope there. So let me just do that now. And then whatever I have left, I'll bring it back here in the Costco envelope. So I do need to purchase some household items. That's gonna, oh, I don't have, oh, you know what? Because I had took the household out, I'm just gonna put it in the giving envelope. I know what it's for. I don't know what I did with that household. I think I put it, let me go grab it. Okay, yeah, it wasn't far out of reach. So good. So I am going to add this money here. 20, 40, 60, 80, $94. I actually said I was gonna put this $4 in the toiletries, but I'm just gonna put it here in home. There we go. All right, so that's it really here. Next, I'm going to be stuffing my sinking funds. I'm sorry, my savings challenges. That is what's up next. And first we're gonna start with the 52-week savings challenge, which I pretty much always do. Let me grab a marker here. Just gonna use the first color that comes out. So this is, oh, I don't need, is this the one? I think this is the right one. I hope so. If not, my bad. So I'm going to be stuffing a total of $45. So it's gonna be 2 20s and a 5. I'm gonna put this right back here. And then for the 3K envelope, I'm gonna be stuffing a total of $165. So I'm gonna go to the October envelope, and that should be what's left. 100, 20, 40, 60, $5. I'm just gonna put it here. All right. So that is pretty much done in this envelope, or binder rather. So to check everything off, I have stuffed food, toiletries 1 month ahead, household 52-week, and 3K savings. So this should take me to or through the next 2 weeks. I do not, when it comes to expense tracking, I do not expense track my envelopes because I pretty much just feel like whatever I spent is what I spent, and the money's already been accounted for and it's already categorized, so I really don't need to do double work and then come and expense track it here, unless I'm trying to identify any areas of maybe like a category that I need to decrease spending in or increase spending. Like if I'm unsure of how much money it is that I'm spending in one category, then possibly I'll expense track. But because I physically have the money and it's already categorized and it's just like once it's gone, I feel like I really don't need to expense track that. However, I do expense track anything that comes in and out of my checking account, specifically my bill account, my side hustle account. I will be expense tracking. However, that's in a totally different budget binder. I don't mix the money. I have it separate. So just in case, I did have some questions about, do I expense track my envelope spending? And the answer is no, I do not. And I've given you the reason why I don't. But that is pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. But until next time, I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing.